So having issues with the USB drive is a very common problem on the Windows operating system, where you might have different issues, like sometime it doesn't got detected, doesn't show in the file explorer, or you're not able to open it. So if you also have any kind of problem with your USB or even with the SD card, where you're not able to format it, you're not able to open it, it's not getting detected, or getting detected but it's not showing up, then make sure that you watch this full video, as I'm going to cover the entire solution. So without any further delay, let's quickly get started. Okay, so first you can plug in your USB or SD card, whichever you have. Once connected, you will have to bring up the file explorer, and here you can see that I can find all kind of my external and internal drive, but I don't find the USB drive that I have connected to this device. And this is a very common problem. This is nothing new, as majority of the people, they try to connect but they don't find their USB. So in this scenario, if you don't find your USB in the file explorer, then you will have to make a right click on Windows icon, click on disk management. In the disk management, you will have to scroll down and look for your USB. Keep scrolling down until you find the USB. You can confirm your USB by looking over the size. And on my end, you can see that USB has been detected, but as it's been unallocated here, it has not been assigned any kind of drive letter, and this is the reason it's not showing in the file explorer. But this is just one scenario. There can be many more other reasons that the USB is showing in the disk management but not in the file explorer. But let's say on your end also, if you find your USB with the unallocated space, then you will have to make a right click on it, click new simple volume, click on next, next, assign the drive letter, click on next. I will give a volume label here because it's a SanDisk USB. Click on next and click on finish. And very soon you will find the SanDisk USB will be displayed over here. Now, as I said, this can be the first scenario. Another reason can be like your USB is showing you properly here along with the drive letter, but still it's not showing in the file explorer. Then during that, what you can do, again, right click on the SanDisk USB. Click on change drive letter and path. Click on change and change the drive letter from here. And this solution can be really a great fix, as many people, they just find the solution after changing the drive letter. So whatever it's been selected by default, you can click on the drop down and choose any other drive letter from here. Then you can click on OK, click on yes. And after that, once you will check the file explorer, you will find that your USB will be displayed over here. But what if your USB has not been detected either in the file explorer and even it doesn't show in the disk management? Then it means your computer has not detected your USB. So there what you will have to do, plug out the USB from the port which you have connected either on your PC or your laptop, and try connecting it to different port. Connect it, wait for a few seconds. If it works, if it get detected, you are good to go. But if not, then try changing the port. But even if switching to different port, still it doesn't work, then what you will have to do, close everything, click on Windows search, type power cfg.cpl and hit the enter key. Now here you will have to look for the power plan, whichever is being selected. On the right of it, you will have to click on change plan settings, then click change advanced power settings. You will get a new box here. Here you need to look for USB settings. Click on the plus icon to expand it. Again, look for USB selective suspend setting. Click on the plus icon. And here assure this setting has been disabled. Once disabled, you can click on apply, click on OK, and then you can check back again. And in case if it doesn't work immediately, you can also try restarting the computer. And now let's talk about another issue with the USB, where you have connected the USB to your device, to your PC or laptop, and it shows over here, but it doesn't show the space available. If you try to open it, it says you to format it. And when you try to format it, it doesn't work. Even you are not able to format it. So if you also have the same issues, like your USB is showing here, but you are not able to open it, you are not able to format it, then in that scenario, we have to use the command prompt in order to manage this disk. So for that, click on your Windows search, type cmd, choose run as administrator, click on yes. First, we need to enter the disk partition. So type disk part and hit the enter key. Then we have to list all the disks connected to this device. For that, you have to type list space disk, and it will list you all the disks connected to this computer. Now you need to look for the one with which you have the problem. Like I have the problem with disk 4, that is 28 gigabyte. So I need to select it. And for that I will type select space disk, then the disk number, which is 4. Then hit the enter key. So once selected, now you will have to clean the drive. So type another command, that will be clean, and hit the enter key. It says disk part succeeded in cleaning the disk. Now in case if you get any error message here, then don't worry, proceed with the next command. And the next command will be create space partition primary. Again hit the enter key, and it says disk part succeeded in creating the specified partition. Next you have to format the partition. So you will have to type format space fs equal sign. Then you have to mention the file system. Either you want to format in NTFS file system, exFAT or FAT32, whichever you want to choose. You can write here, like for NTFS, you can write NTFS. But if you want to go with exFAT, then you can type exFAT, give a space and type quick, and hit the enter key. And it says disk part successfully formatted the volume. Now we need to assign the drive letter. So type assign letter equal sign. Then you can give any drive letter that should not be allocated to any other drive here. Once given, now hit the enter key again. And now you're all done. So if you minimize it and look over back here, so your USB drive will be now displayed with this new drive letter. So this way you can fix the problem with the USB drive which is not able to open, or you're not able to format it. Now let's say after applying all these solutions, if you still have the problem with the USB, or if you have any similar USB problem, then you can also try a tool by the name USB repair. So bring up any of your browser and search for USB repair, Ryzen Soft, and you will have to click on this first website, USB repair. Click on it. Here you need to scroll down to the bottom, and it says USB repair, download now. So you will have to click on it, and it's a small file, so it will be quickly downloaded. Now don't run the file directly from here. Open the downloaded folder. Right click on the USB file, click run as admin. Click on yes. Accept the terms, next. If you want to create a desktop shortcut, then you can create it, but I will use it for once and then I will uninstall it. So it's all up to you. Either you want to keep it, then you can check this option, or you just want to use for one time, then use it and then uninstall it. Click install again and click on finish. So now in order to use the USB repair, you will have to click on your Windows search, type USB, click USB repair, click on yes, and it will come up with this kind of box, and it says if your USB drive failed to install or you are experiencing other USB related issues, click repair USB and restart your computer. So just click on repair USB, and it will be identifying the problem and it will try to finish it, and it says at the bottom, hope that resolved your USB issues. If not, it could be a physical hardware problem. So what exactly this tool is trying to say, that they have made their best effort in order to fix the USB problem, but still if you have the issues, even if you have tried all the solution, the problem can be with your USB hardware. Alright, so these are the possible solution, guys. Make sure that you restart the computer in order to recheck whether your USB is working or not. And hopefully after applying all these fixes, you will be getting the solution. If yes, let me know what exactly worked for you. And also make sure that you hit the like, subscribe, and I see you in the next video. Bye-bye.